Good afternoon, this is Dennis.Girod with Guaranty in Junction City, Oregon. I have an opportunity to show you this wonderful 2019 Winnebago Navion. So, it's kind of unique in that there's two names that are known for great engineering. Winnebago in RVs and Mercedes in the engine side. So this is a unit they jointly built together. So I'd love to take you around the outside. So it's built on a Mercedes diesel chassis. Full body paint on this unit. Nice storage underneath with an inverter. What's that mean? That means that you can run your TV without having to run your generator. The generator we talked about, this is a 3500 LP generator. Underbed storage, accessible from the outside. Additional storage. Your city water fill, your 30 amp plug-in, along with your dump. Black tank flush. As you can see, it has the rolled roof edge. Slide out awnings, very well equipped unit. Additional storage in two locations, along with a good storage with a holder for your dump hose, with your zero hose. So as we come inside the unit, you can see the beautiful European styling. These overhead doors are actually built in Italy. Nice storage, two-place sink, two-burner stove, LP stove, TV overhead. Double-door refrigerator, your corner bed with a TV at the foot of the bed, shower, toilet, well lit, separate vanity outside the room. One of the things Winnebago's done very beautifully inside this unit is the lighting. Not only do you have ceiling lighting, but that lighting, you can dial it back for night if it's too bright. Look at the size of this U-shaped Dinette. These ends can be pulled up for footrests, so you can sit back and enjoy yourself as you watch the TV across the way. Wardrobe with microwave above. Those cushions are for the front driver passenger seats, which turn and can face the living area, and it gives you a greater height as you're sitting there. Wonderful storage above. One of the things Winnebago does very well is hidden latches that are secure. The bed area lays down and has a ladder, so you can attain that. The other thing that Winnebago has added in here, which is really nice, and you want to make sure this has a screen, has a sunshade, and operates electrically, remotely. So thank you for your interest. If there's anything we can do to help you, we'd love to show you a unit or test drive a unit with you. And come see us. Thank you very much.